Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, my name is Afan, and in this video I will show you how to configure date and time and decimal separators in Odoo. And the Odoo version that I will be using in this video is Odoo 16. So as you can see from this page, in the invoice date, the date formatting that's been used is that it's fully using the numbers, and then it started from the month 02 and then the date 27 and then the year. But we can change that. Yeah, also you can see here the decimal separators, like there is a comma for every three numbers, and then to separate it with the decimals there is a period. Yes, we can also change that in the setting. So how do we do that? First we can access this home menu button and then click that, and then we can click settings, and then from here you can choose language and then press manage languages, and then you will be directed to this page where there's many languages here. So now what you gotta do is you have to choose the activated language. So for me, I activated the English language, so I will choose this one on the top, and then it will direct us to this page. And in this page you will notice that there is this settings where you can customize the things that we wanted to customize before. So now I will start with the date formatting, date and time formatting. As you can see, right now it says %M, %D, and %capital Y. So what does this mean? So how do we know what this mean? We can check it from the legends below in here. So it says %M. So it's this one. So it's month number, and then the small d, and so it's the day of the month like this, and then the big Y. So it's the year with century. So it's the four numbers. And there is also an example on the side to see. So yeah, so if you want to change that, you can just customize it to another format. For example, maybe I wanted to put the month in the middle. So I want to put it so date first, month, and then year. I can do that like this. Let's put it in the middle. Or maybe no, I don't want the number month. I want the month name, the abbreviated one. So I can just choose this one, the %P, the des, like this. So you just change it like this, and then you can press save. After that, you can go back to the previous page. For example, I want to see the invoice page again. And then you will see it has changed. So now it says February in the middle instead of this number in the beginning. So that's how we change the date formatting. And that's also applied for time. Then now we will look into how to change the decimal separators. As you can see right now, it's like this, started by every three numbers, and so it's right now and it's separated by the comma. So if you wanted to change the comma, for example, you wanted to switch it to period instead. So you wanted to put a period for every three numbers, and then you want to put a comma before decimal, you can just change the thousand separator to period then, and maybe the decimal separator to a comma. So you can do that and then save, and then after that you will reload the page, and yep, it has changed as you can see in here. And so that's for changing the decimal and thousand separator. And now we will talk about the formatting. So right now you can look here in the separators format, it says 3, 0. And yeah, so what does that mean? That means that for every three numbers, there will be a comma, and then the 0 at the end is there to indicate that this rows will repeat. So every 3, there is a comma, and then another 3, there is a comma again. I mean, a separators again, and then there is another separators for another 3. It's like that. So for example, you wanted to change, oh, I want the first 3 numbers, there will be a separator, and then after that, you don't want there to be anything. You can do that by just change it into -1. So if you put it like that, and then now, yeah, you can see here, there is a separator for the first 3 numbers, and then after that, there is no separators anymore. And then you can also put a different sequence, a more complicated one. For example, you wanted, there is, for the first 3, you want it to be separated just once, and then after that, you want to separate for every one number. You can do that also, like this, and then 0. So 3, 1, 0, like that, and then, oh, sorry. Yep, and then it's like that. So for the first 3, and then for every number, there is a separator. So yeah, you can customize it like that. Now I will change it to the default 3.0. Okay, so that's all from me about the date and time formatting and also the separator formatting. I hope it's helpful to you, and see you on another video.